say good morning, everybody, and welcome into the 2024 Open House. What a beautiful day it is in DeKalb, Illinois. So you're on the dyno, you're in the show, you're eating food, or just enjoying a beautiful day brought to you by WCFab and all the great sponsors. You gotta fire them up and tell them why we're raising money. What are we doing here?
So all high schools in DeKalb County, we give out 2 scholarship funds a year, and all the proceeds from the auction, as well as a lot of other components of the event, all the show and shine entries towards the scholarship fund. So we raised $20,000 2 years ago, and the goal is to raise more than that today.
Dynoing the truck quite a bit on my own dyno. We knew that it was 3,000 capable, loaded in a good tune for this event, but super pleased, super happy. Sky's the limit. The truck is not exactly turned all the way up yet, so there is room to grow.
Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my gosh, yes. If you're driving around with hair like this now, you're not embarrassed. Get on down. Get on down. Come on, where's the next bullet? Is there some you see a mullet next to you? I want you to point them out.
It's number 2. Number 2 gets the win. Let's give it up for him. What an awesome deal, best mullet.
All right, so here we are. It's the end of the day here at the open house. We just wrapped up our second open house, and it was quite a bit larger than the first one. We had a great showing, so everyone was excited to come back. And we had a huge crowd. They were lined up bright and early, 7 a.m. We had well over 200 trucks in the show. We raised, I think, almost $13,000 in the auction for the DeKalb County Scholarship Fund. We had a $2,500 50-50 pot that got split in half, the other half going to the auction fund. Had a table full of raffles and prizes and show specials. And overall, it was a great show. We had this is our first year having the dyno at the event, and we had close to 50 competitors on the dyno. And that was a really awesome show, and we'll definitely consider bringing that one back for next time. Hopefully again in 2 years. We're on the 2-year plan, every 2-year plan, so we'll probably aim to do it again in 2 years, I think. So I want to thank everybody for coming out and hope everybody had a good time.
We're done. It's a wrap. It's over. Quit filming me now.